In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Wrike. If you're moving tasks or projects from another tool, Wrike's built-in import makes that handoff quick and reliable. We'll walk through the exact clicks, and I'll share a few tips so your data lands cleanly on the first try. Start in your Wrike workspace and open the space where you want the new items to live. From there, head to the space overview. This view acts as the home base for everything inside that space, so it's the right place to start an import. Next, find the three-dot menu, often labeled as More Actions. This is where Wrike keeps space-level utilities. Open that menu and choose Import. You'll see options for bringing data in from different sources. For this walkthrough, select Import from Excel. There is also an option for Microsoft project files, but we'll stick with Excel today. Before you pick your file, here's a quick prep tip to avoid surprises. Your spreadsheet should be tidy. Keep the first row as headers. Use clear column names like title, description, start date, due date, and status, and avoid merge cells, formulas that return errors, or extra blank rows. Consistent date formats help a lot, and keeping task names unique makes it easier to review after import. Click Select File and choose the Excel file you prepared. Once the file is added, take a second to confirm you've selected the correct space and file. This simply saves time later. When you're ready, click. Next, to move forward, Wrike will prompt you to confirm the import. This is a safeguard to ensure you're adding items to the right place. Click Yes to proceed. The import will start and you'll see progress feedback as Wrike brings in your rows as tasks or projects within the current space. After the process completes, your new items will appear in the space. Give everything a quick scan to make sure titles, dates, and statuses look right. If something seems off, the most common culprits are inconsistent headers, unusual date formats, or extra formatting in the spreadsheet. Cleaning those up and re-importing typically fixes issues fast. And if your source data includes a hierarchy, make sure your file reflects that with clear parent-child indicators before the next attempt. That's it. Your tasks are now in Wrike and ready for your team to use. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.